Hi guys, welcome to Leila and Remuel's channel. Today we will share to all of you about the Fiesta Filipinas, an honest celebration of Philippine festivals. Before anything else, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching!
Hi guys,
welcome to
Leila
and Remuel's channel. Today we have an unboxing to do. We don't usually do this, but for the first time, we have received from the Department of Foreign Affairs
courtesy of Philippine Embassy Austria
and also the participation of Department of Tourism and the ncca of the Philippines. We have a Fiesta Filipinas Lamihan Festival kit. And it says here the Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of the Philippine festivals. Guys, we're going to start the unboxing, but first, yes, we also would like to thank Miss Maria Carmela Teresa Cabrera, First Secretary and Consul of the Philippine Embassy here in Vienna, Austria. To the unboxing. Isa na ako sa init. Nice. Okay, do the honor.
So
Okay. We have also this aside first. And also this one with the explanation about the Lami-Lamihan Festival. Yes, we will open the box right away. What is inside? There is a envelope. This says here, make a Yakan weaving inspired embroidered card in this kit. Okay, let's do this later.
this is
We
the
have a gift. Okay. Oh, pakita mo yung gift. There's the gift inside. Okay, there's a sample. Okay, running back rin sa loob. That.
so first we have Auro chocolate, milk chocolate, 42%.
It's considered as one of the pioneers in the Philippine craft chocolates industry. This particular chocolate bar has smooth and creamy milk chocolate with a more pronounced cacao flavor, crafted from a blend of the best Philippine origin cacao beans.
Yeah.
We'll taste it later.
Okay.
And our next, there's more.
So the second one is keith&kat gourmet peanut brittle.
Yes, a peanut brittle. It's a type of confection made with sugar and peanuts. This type of snack has many variations around the world, and the Philippines has its own version too.
Salted caramel.
Yes, our Philippine version consists of the whole
This is
or crushed skin or unskinned peanut that also varies in color from light to dark depending on the sugar used. It looks yummy, huh? There's more.
we have cassava chips from Cagapa
Yes, the cassava.
from Zamboanga del Norte.
Cassava chips, a widely available root crop called kamoteng kahoy or balinghoy. In the Philippines has many uses. Over 200,000 farmers in the Philippines grow and harvest it for its versatility. From being a starch alternative for tapiocas to ingredients for cakes. On its own, it can also be fried and turned into chips. The next, we still have the last moringa.
The last
big
is
one.
moringashing-a-ling.
Moringashing-a-ling. Shing-a-ling.
Salt and vinegar flavor.
Shing-a-ling is a deep fried flour snack that has the shape of the fat string beans. People unfamiliar with it tend to mistake it for the deep fried chicken intestines. Well, don't worry, it is not. Its main ingredients are dry thick egg noodles, locally known as pancit miki, that is deep fried and dusted with garlic, chili, and seasoning. Well, that's all what's inside the box. You should try it as once. Looks yummy. Kailangan tikman yung pinadala sa atin. Diba? Anong gusto mong kainin first?
Ito, tikman natin.
Tikman natin. Muna. Ano yung lasa nito? Harap ka. Hindi mo expect na kasaba. Ano? Patatas lang.
Chop. Chop. Chop siya.
Talagang kakaiba. Parang ayaw kong tigilan. Ito naman yung tikman din natin. Tabi ka muna. Mamaya ka ulit.
Okay din natin kainin. Sarap yun. Parang pati. Sarap, dami.
Kailangan talagang tikman. Yung sariling atin. Ito naman yung moringashing-a-ling. Matikman at makapag-shing-a-ling din. Parang may
Mapapakanta ka pa rin sa sarap nito. Like
latang vinegar.
Ay, like ka. Chop. Chop.
Malunggay ang flavor. Na? Ang sarap. Malunggay nga.
Ang sarap
Moringa
siya.
is malunggay.
Moringa is malunggay.
Yes. Tingnan mo yung daon sa baba. Malunggay. May taste, aftertaste na malunggay. At the same time, masarap.
Masarap siya. Grabe. Iba talaga yung...
Ito yung mga product na na-miss natin sa Philippines. Pero hindi ko pa natikman to noon.
First time kong nakain, pero pwede mong i-share sa iba. Pwede mong pasalubong.
Sana meron din product dito sa Austria na mga ganyan. Parang, dahil ngayong pandemic, hindi kami nakakakuha sa Pilipinas.
Okay,
Ito na lang yung parang para matikman to.
Okay, next stop.
Next naman, next.
Peanut brittle.
Mm.
Try natin to.
Natin.
Sarap siya.
Favorite mo yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun.
Oh my God.
Ang sarap.
Ikaw na.
Ito natin isang buo. Ang laki.
Sarap.
Yan, oh. Okay na mag-joke. Ito na lang yung maliit. Natin yung maliit. Para mabigyan natin yung iba ng kaibigan. Matikman din nila. One more. Cheers. Mabibigit na ito sa sarap.
Oh my God. Ang sarap talaga.
Pinoy na Pinoy yung lasa. Yun guys, oh. Gusto nyo din? Bumili na lang kayo para sa inyo. Sana meron dito sa mga Asia shop. Harap.
Hindi ka mapapahiyang ibigay sa mga kaibigan mo.
Pampasalubong.
Pampasalubong. Sarap siya.
Wala pang 3 seconds. Sayang. Harap.
Dumi-dumi na.
Makalat lang, pero masarap. Ito yung last natin na product na pinadala sa atin. Yung Auro Milk Chocolate. Pero malambot na siya dahil mainit ngayon dito.
Pero tikman pa rin natin.
Siyempre.
Tunaw na.
Natunaw na sa init dito ngayon. Pero hindi balik. Tikman mo lang ng
Tingnan natin. So, make
ganyan.
na.
Mag-ano tayo? Mag-pros.
Pros.
Sana? Okay naman. May hint ng parang
pure cacao talaga.
feeling
Although,
mo na may marsipan.
40% lang. 40% milk chocolate.
Yung kaiba yung lasa. Puro. Parang may hint ng konting
Para siyang tableya.
yun.
Sarap.
Parang
chocolate.
hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Tikim pa. Sarap. Tunaw lang siya. Pero, sarap.
Akin na lang to.
Okay, akin na lang to.
Akin din ka?
Akin na lang to.
Ang sarap. Happy tayo. Share natin to sa mga kaibigan natin.
Thank you ulit sa Fiesta Filipinas.
At sa department of Foreign Affairs, Department of Tourism,
Yeah. And sa Philippine Embassy po. Thank you po.
Yes, at saka ncca.
Thank you.
Until next time po, hanggang dito na lang kami. Enjoy po namin to yung natitirang product. Sana meron ulit na dadating.
Ang kilikin po natin ng sariling produkto po ng Pilipino.
At mga festival sa Pilipinas, sana in the future, in these coming days or months or weeks, unti-unti nang bumalik after nitong pandemic.
Thank you.
Thank you so much once again. Goodbye. And for the last activities of this video, let's make the Yakan waving inspired embroidered cards. Cutting out the design that we would like to do. Secure the guide on the card with paper clips. Over the punching mat, use the guide for reference and punch the holes using the push pin. It took us a while to finish the embroidered card, but we enjoyed doing it. We would like to thank Department of Foreign Affairs, Department of Tourism, the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, and the Philippine Embassy in Vienna, Austria, for sharing us the Lami-Lamihan Festival Kit of Fiesta Filipinas. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We thank you for watching.